What's up, YouTube? Hope everybody is good. I wanted to do a video today on the proper way to restore a muscle car, or what is known as a old school car to some, and how to store it and winterize it. So I got a couple of items right here that hopefully you won't need if you restore the car properly for the winter. What's up, YouTube? I wanted to make a short video on instructions or giving some advice on the proper way to winterize a car. Right now we're in the Midwest, and I have a couple of vehicles. This one is stored at a buddy's of mine house because I don't have the room at my place. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I've learned and what I have did to restore my vehicle for the winter. So the first thing first, I got a couple of items right here. Hopefully you won't need them. You may need the one on the left, the Vaseline, and I'll tell you why I'm using that in a second. But in the middle right there, you have carb choke. It's from Gum Out. It's pretty good, but I wouldn't suggest that you use that all the time to get your car started. It's good for cleaning carburetor parts and choke parts. But as far as starting a car, I wouldn't suggest it. That means if you have to use this on a carbureted vehicle, you probably have some more problems going on. And next to it is instant starting fluid. A lot of guys like to use this to start their vehicle, especially in the wintertime. I wouldn't really suggest that either. What I suggest is that you periodically come out and start your car up and let it run for at least 10 to 15 minutes in the winter. And that should keep the gas flowing. Also, what you might want to do is make sure you don't have a lot of gas in your gas tank and put you some dry gas in your gas tank. That might help it. Some anti-antifreeze items that they have. Gummit makes them, and you usually find a lot of consumers put it in a carbureted lawnmowers or snow blowers over the winter time, and that seemed to work pretty good. I don't have any around right now that I could show you. I thought I might have had a bottle, but I think it's at my place. So that's something that you want to use, the anti-freeze liquid that they use in snow blowers and lawnmowers. You can put it right in your gas tank, or you can use some antifreeze. Some guys use antifreeze. They put a little bit of antifreeze in their gas too and let it run for about 10 minutes so it can circulate throughout the vehicle. That helped the lines from freezing up. So first thing first, let's talk about why I have the Vaseline there. When I winterize my vehicles, especially in the Midwest, because Midwest is known for having a bunch of spiders, and sometimes you might have a situation where there's rodents in the area. It's a lot of rural areas, and even in the city they have rodents. So what I decided to do is jack the vehicle up. So let's get down here so you can see what I'm talking about. Jacking the vehicle up. The vehicle is on jacks right now. So get a good look. Yep, the vehicle is on jacks right now. I put 4 jacks on here. And what I use for the jacks is petroleum jelly. I wipe the jacks all over with jelly. So spiders hate it. And if you have little mice or some kind of rodent, they can't climb up the jack. It'll make the jack real slippery. And it annoys them. It gets in their fur, insects, it gets on their limbs, and they hate petroleum jelly. So I use petroleum jelly to jack the vehicle up. And I bet you guys wondering what kind of vehicle this is. Well, let's uncover everything so I can show you what it is. And then we'll get to a cold start. Let's see if this buddy cranks up. I give you a clue right now while I'm removing these items. It's a Pontiac, and I'll even tell you the year. It's a Pontiac, and I'll tell you the year. Kudos to the first person that can guess what this vehicle is. It's a Pontiac. The year is 68. So that's what we're working with right now, 68 Pontiac. And it's on jacks all the way around. Sorry about the darkness. Let's see if I can get some light up in here. No light. Sorry about the darkness, guys. I was trying to show you the back of it, but as you can see, it's a big body. So, no further ado, let's unveil what kind of vehicle this is. Here's your first tip. Look at the grille. That classic bird grille. You can see it's a Pontiac. By now, I'm sure some of you car enthusiasts have guessed what it is. So here we go. This is a Pontiac Catalina on 20-inch Dayton rims. I think the color is Vandura green. It's the original paint. Beautiful car. Lots of leg room. Classic vehicle, all steel. Pontiac cars back in the day were some of the best built cars in my opinion. Let's take this all the way off. You guys look at the hood. It's nice. Once again, this is a big body Pontiac. Beautiful car. Don't have a lot of room in this garage, as you can see. Can't get all the way around it. That's what it is, a big body Pontiac. Beautiful. I don't see my light feature on this thing. Nevertheless, let's take a look in the inside and see if we can get a crank going. Like I said, winterized the car already. I put a little bit of antifreeze in the gas tank, or as you guys may refer to as dry gas. Let's see if we can get this boy cranked up. Let's see here. I usually hit the pedal a few times. Like I said, it's been months since this thing has cranked up. Don't overkill it. Just back up off of it. You don't want to flood the engine. Hit the pedal a few more times, maybe 5 more times, and let's see what we can do. There she goes. Start it up. Like I said, you never want to overkill a carbureted car, because it will flood up on you really fast. Don't hit on the gas, just let it warm up naturally. Then we'll give it some gas. Beautiful. And from what I was told, this is the original paint, I'm sorry. You can see that the paint still have, I don't know if you can see it, but it will come out. Paint still has watermarks in it from it being so old. This is a beautiful vehicle. So what I'm going to do in a little bit, I'm going to jack everything up, take it off the jacks. First I'm going to let it warm up because it hasn't been warmed up in months. take it off the jack, move it over because I have another vehicle on the way, so I need to make room in this garage. And I'll be doing a review on that vehicle as well. I'll give you a hint right now. It's a muscle car. Well, I consider it a muscle car, but the manufacturers consider it a luxury sports car. And when I say this car is a Dodge Challenger, Dodge Charger killer, you're going to be amazed at what kind of car it is. So until later on, the next time, I'll see you guys later to the next video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Hope my tips on how to winterize helped somebody and was beneficial. Let me hit the gas one time for you so you can see how it sounds. She's ready. Till the next time, I'm out.